to my channel. My name is Jenny. I'm living in Qatar, but I'm from Philippines. And in my channel, I'm gonna be doing tips and tricks for daily makeup, product haul, pretty much anything about girl stuff. So in this video, we're gonna be doing a simple, easy, everyday makeup. Okay, first step that we're going to do, we have to prep our skin. I'm gonna be using this aloe water. Looks like this. Smells so good. Let it set and dry. We're gonna put this simple moisturizing cream. So out, we have to put some moisturizer. There you have it. In this video, guys, I'm not gonna be using a foundation because the more you use foundation in this humidity, in Qatar it's really hot. I'm telling you, it's not like 35 degrees in the daytime, it reaches 50 degrees, so you have to keep your face moisturized and minimal makeup para hindi siya mag-cakey. And next, isi-set natin siya ng powder. I'm using this in 07. Gusto ko lang salamin. Now that we set our moisturizer with powder, next we're gonna be using a concealer. So I'm gonna be using a Nars, here you go, Nars concealer in the shade Ginger. Saktong sakto sa akin to. So all we have to do is just cover the blemishes. For me, there's no need to put some foundation if you're using a face mask because you covered half of your face, so what's the point? Kaya yung iba hindi ko maintindihan bakit magpa-foundation pa. And then in the middle of the day, you're sweaty, smudge, you know, yung mga sa Bisaya pa, kampat-kampat. We don't want that. Tapos i-blend lang natin siya using this. It's almost shattered, look. It's still working. This is Real Technique sponge. At saka guys, it's not really important like you have to use the same product. Any product will do. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao kayang bilhin yung makeup kasi ang mahal-mahal din naman. And the drugstore makeup are good as well. So why not? The point of not putting some foundation is to avoid the smudging, you know. Like in the middle of the day, when you put your face mask on, and then you know it feels like it's too hot inside, but what the purpose is you want to keep your makeup in place. Hindi siya mag-move, guys. So this is the technique. So foundation is not necessary. You can just use concealer and to cover the blemishes. That's it. To look natural. And again, we will set this with powder one more time. Di naman kailangan na if we have to go to the market, we have to be like full glam. Like, what's the point? Full glam. Nakamask ka naman. Wala rin. So it should be like simple, but not too simple. I mean, there's some colors, you know. Next, setting spray. So we're gonna be setting our face. Sorry guys, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray. Patuyuin. Next, eye primer. This one from Kiko. Kiko Milano eye primer. Just a tiny amount of product, not too much. Then set it with powder again. Using this one. This is the banana powder from Elf. Now we're going to use an eyeshadow palette from Maybeline, the Burgundy Bar eyeshadow palette. In the shade this one. It has no name, so I don't know. It's like a cool brown. This will be our transitions. Para magkakulay lang naman. I'm not really professional in doing makeup. Next, this chocolate color next to this transition shade that we are using on our eyelids and our crease, I mean, and this one. And we're focusing in the outer corner of our crease, or here. Meron na guys. And in the lower lash line, we're gonna doing the same shade. Here, we're still gonna use this one. Our line, we're gonna be using this Flormar waterproof eyeliner in the shade white. Next, magkikilay tayo. I'm gonna be using this one from MAC. This is in the shade Deep Brunette. Yung parang ganito. Matulis siya. Next, yung brow gel na Pastel. It says Pastel. And eyebrow mascara. Ganito. Kasi minsan nakikita mo dito yung kilay mo, bumababa yung mga buhok. So this is the reason why we have to put some eyebrow gel. Hindi tayo gagamit ng lipstick. Gamit tayo ng tinted lip balm from Flormar. This is in the shade Cotton Candy. It's like pinky, like Barbie pink. Hindi siya nagta-transfer guys, it's tinted. Highlighter. I'm gonna be using this MAC Mineralize Soft and Gentle. And then sa inner your eyes. By the way guys, yung ginagamit kong brush is from Morphe. Lahat yung nakikita nyo yung itim, yung kulay Morphe yun. I'm gonna be using this Kiko Milano mascara. Setting spray, and this is the finished look.